Hi Ajay,
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
Okay. Since this is our first meeting, I would like to know about you. So tell me about yourself.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for having conversation with me.
Welcome, welcome.
My name is Ajay. I am speaking to you from a small town, Hodal,
Okay,
district Palwal, state Haryana.
okay.
So I am 23-year old. When
Oh,
it comes to my education, I have done my schooling from my hometown
which is your
and
hometown?
also Hodal.
Hodal. Where is
H
it?
O D.
Where is it located?
It's when you come from Faridabad city toward Mathura city.
Okay.
It lies on National Highway 17.
Mhm. Right. So you have done your schooling from there.
Yes, ma'am.
And your
And
college?
also government college,
So what is the degree that you did?
BSc Physics honors.
BSc Physics honors. Oh, great.
Yes, ma'am.
After graduation, what are you doing?
Currently, I am doing for government exam preparation.
Okay, you are preparing for government exams. So which
Yes,
exam
ma'am.
you are trying for?
Like SSC exams.
SSC exams.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So is it a village where you live?
It's called you. I can say it's a town.
Okay, it's a town. So somewhere between a
Yes,
city
ma'am.
and a village.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you ever been to Delhi?
Yes, I have been many times to
Okay,
Delhi.
so you have been to Delhi many times. Okay. What all have you seen in Delhi?
That's I I can say I would say I have not seen anything, but I have go to for my coaching at
Okay.
Badarpur border.
You went there for your coaching and you didn't see anything.
Yeah, no, ma'am, I have not visited any place.
Okay. You are doing coaching from Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
You are taking coaching for SSC exams.
It's a I think it's a talk about 2017.
You had started coaching in 2017.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's been 6 years.
4 6 months.
So you've been taking coaching
Yes,
for
ma'am.
6 years,
No. It's only for 6 months.
4 to 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
But you said I started coaching in 2017.
I started and I have stopped in after 6 months.
I started and then,
Stopped after 6 months.
okay, you started coaching in 2017 and then you discontinued coaching after 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why? You didn't like the coaching?
Because it's a 6 month program.
Okay. Was it too far for you to travel every day?
Yes, ma'am. It's like 75 kilometer away from my home.
How would you go there every day when you were doing the coaching?
I have go by train
You used to go
every
by
day.
train.
Yes, I used to go by train.
So अगर कोई भी चीज ऐसी होती है ना which you used to do in the past but you are not doing it anymore, for that you can use would or used to. That I would go for coaching
By train.
so you can say I used to go by train or you can say I would go by train every day.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you don't mind if I correct your mistakes
No problem. Yes, ma'am.
because actually I want you to improve. If I don't correct, how will you improve?
I would like to. I would like to improve. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Ajay, tell me about your family.
So we have 8 family members.
There are 8 people in my family. There are 8 people in my family.
8 member in my family.
There are eight
My
people.
father.
Family looks even better. You can also say there are 8 members in my family, but 8 people looks even better.
Okay, ma'am. Father and mother,
Okay.
and we have six bo- six brother and sister.
We are 6 brothers and sisters, or you can say I have 5 siblings. Siblings matlab bhai behan. I have 5 siblings, or we are 6 brother sisters. Yeah, we are
Okay.
6 children. So you are the eldest.
No. I am third one. First one is my sister, and second also my sister, and I am third.
Okay, then you are the third one. And the first one, the eldest sister, what is she doing?
Actually, in this year, she got married.
Did she complete her studies?
Yes, she also completed study in PA.
Okay, she did BA.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, she got married.
Second one I also did BSc in radiographer from Dwarka in Delhi.
She did BSc from Dwarka. She used to come to
In
Delhi.
radio. No, she had completed.
उसने द्वारका से किया ना. Dwarka is in Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
So when she was doing it, she used to come to Delhi.
Yes, ma'am. Every day.
Every day she used to come.
She had completed her graduation in 2020.
2020 में complete तो किया था, पर जब करती थी तब तो आती थी ना.
Yes, every day,
That
every
is what
day,
I'm saying. When she was doing that degree, she used to come to Delhi every day.
every day.
Okay. So after doing BSc, what did she do?
Right now, she's doing job in PSI Hospital, Faridabad.
Oh, she's doing a job. So what is her job profile?
You know, radiographer
Radiographer.
like do MRI technician.
Some tests they do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So she
Radiographer,
does that.
MRI, CT scan, X-ray.
Right. So she's doing that. Okay, that's
ma'am.
great. And then you are the third one, and you're preparing for SSC. And what about the younger brother or sister? Who is at the fourth position? Who's the fourth child?
Fourth position is also my younger sister.
How old is she?
I think she 19-year-old.
I think you don't remember your sister's age.
No. She's 19-year-old.
She is 19 years old. Okay.
I am 22-year-old.
Just 5 minutes back, you told me that you were 23. When you were introducing
20.
yourself, you said you were 23. Did you forget your age?
Okay.
Did you forget your age?
No. I think it's a mistake, my.
So your sister, who is 19 years old, what does she do?
She last year she also completed her 12th.
She has completed her 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now she is in college.
Right now she's preparing for BSc nursing exam, government exam.
She is preparing for BSc nursing exam.
Yes, ma'am.
So she wants to become a nurse.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. And the fifth one?
Fifth one is right now in 12th class.
Okay. That is a brother or a sister?
Sister.
Okay. So how old is she?
She is studying in 12th class. She's 16-year-old.
She's 16 years old and she's in class 10th.
12.
16-year-old. 16 years होगा क्योंकि plural है ना. 16 is whenever something is one, it is singular. When it is more than one, it is plural. So 16 years old.
Okay.
You have to put S. So she's 16 years old and she's in class 12. So what has she taken? Arts, commerce, science.
She has taken PCM, non-medical.
Is she thinking of engineering?
Yes, she would like to join. She would like to become a engineer.
Engineer. Okay, great. And the fifth one?
Fifth one is my brother, younger brother.
Fifth one is your brother.
14-year-old. He's studying in 10th class.
He's 14 years old and studying in 10th class.
10th class.
So does he study or just keeps playing games on his mobile?
No, he do both of.
He does both of them. Does he go out to play with his friends?
No, he always play at home.
He always plays on his mobile, no?
Play mobile and
yeah.
Also like a carom board.
Children these days, they don't go out to play. They just keep, using their mobile in free time.
He's not kind of.
Yeah,
he's not kind of many children.
He's not like other children.
Yes, ma'am.
He's not like other children.
Yes, ma'am. He's never go at outside home. Go outside at.
Tell me this sentence in Hindi. Then I will tell you आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. I will tell you in English. ये वाला sentence आप मुझे हिंदी में बताइए.
वो कभी नहीं जाता बाहर खेलने.
बाहर खेलने कभी नहीं जाता. He never goes out to play.
Okay.
You should tell him that they should go out to play because that gives us vitamin D and that gives us fresh air. They should go out to play and that makes you exercise also. Do you go to his PTM, parent teacher meeting?
No, I am not. Go.
Your parents go for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what does your father do?
My father is a driver.
He's a driver. He drives taxis?
Yes, ma'am. No, he drives trucks.
He drives trucks. Oh, great.
Yes,
so is it easy to drive trucks? What does he say?
No, ma'am. He used to always say it's not an easy job.
Yes, it must be very difficult. And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
She is a homemaker. Don't call your mother housewife. You're saying housewife का मतलब पता क्या होता है? Housewife means a wife who just stays in a house. But actually में mother क्या क्या करती हैं? You know that, no? They take care of the whole
Yes,
house.
yes.
They take care of children. They do laundry. They do cooking. They do so much. So never call your mother a housewife. Call her a homemaker. Okay? How's your preparation going on?
He's going good.
It's going well?
It's going well.
Okay. Are there malls and restaurants in that area?
Yes, we have everything like restaurant, mall. Not mall. Yes, dhaba type.
Right. Okay, those kind of dhabas are there.
I think many types of dhaba because it's lies on National Highway 17.
So tell me, Ajay, what are the challenges that you are facing when you speak English?
So, ma'am, when I speak in English, I forget everything. That's why
You forget everything
First time-
when you speak in English.
first time I speak in English.
Oh, first time you are speaking English. You are speaking well.
Yes, ma'am.
You can improve and you can be very fluent. जब हम हिंदी
Yes,
में भी
ma'am.
बोलते हैं, let's say I give you just 100 words in Hindi and then I ask you to do a whole conversation with a person, तो आपको मुश्किल होगी ना. तो उसी तरह से if you know less words in English, that is why you forget everything. You will have to improve your vocabulary so that you know lots of sentences and words. And how will that happen? What is the best way of doing that? What do you think?
I think best way is the speaking is every day. Speaking is every day is the best way.
Yeah, speaking
think,
every day, watching English content,
20
and reading books and newspapers. But the other thing that you just keep a dictionary with you and you keep cramming the words, that doesn't work. That is not a good way to improve your vocabulary. The best way is to keep reading, read as much as possible, watch English content as much as possible. That will improve your vocabulary. That is the best way to improve the vocabulary.
I can I speak. I listen English content on YouTube. I listen BBC News. I listen English YouTube content. I understand everything, but I cannot speak.
You will
I
be
know
able,
why
be able to speak. It takes some time.
I know why I cannot speak English because I will not speak too much.
देखो, आपको कोई भी चीज करने का कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है? When you keep doing it again and again. Since you are talking to me for the first time in English, let's say you have talked to different people and you have talked to people 100 times, then definitely your confidence will increase. आप एक चीज को बार-बार करोगे
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
confidence तो बढ़ेगा ही ना. Your confidence will go up. So this is the first time, that is why it is happening, and you are speaking fair English. You are speaking well if it is the first time. Just keep on watching English content. Keep on reading as much as you can. Whatever you study is in English, no?
In SSC English is also subject. English, reasoning, mathematics. Those are the subject.
Do you read newspaper every day?
No, ma'am. I am not reading newspaper.
It will improve your English also. It will teach you so many new words. But just keeping a book and then cramming every word and making a list of 10 words and saying that I will learn 10 words today. So this is the word, this is the meaning. ऐसे करते रहोगे तो नहीं आता. That is a very tough way of doing it. So don't learn English vocabulary like that. So when
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
watching YouTube videos, don't you think your English has improved after watching English videos?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that will definitely improve your English if you keep watching it. Anything else that you would like to talk about?
No, ma'am. This is the first time because I cannot speak too much.
Okay, no problem.
Words cannot come my mind.
Words are not coming out of your mouth. Huh?
But not, ma'am.
How do words come out of our mouth? कैसे words आते हैं बाहर? When we think, our thoughts become our words, right? What we think comes out of the mouth. And if you start thinking in English, then English will come out of your mouth. And how will you think in English? If you keep thinking in English, like if you say to yourself that I am doing this, I got up, I am doing this, now I will do this preparation. My sister has gone to school. I have this work to do. I have finished this. If you talk to yourself in English every day, your brain will start thinking in English. And if you are thinking in English, English is going to come out of your mouth. अगर हिंदी सोचते हो तो हिंदी बाहर आती है. English सोचोगे तो English बाहर आएगी ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Do these things. Talk to yourself in English. Listen to English content.
Okay.
Watch English content. read English content, just eat, sleep, and breathe English. Okay?
Ma'am, I want to know what you think about like speaking course, Clapingo, like family.
They have expert tutors. आपको क्या चाहिए देखो, you can do watching English content for free, you can do reading for free, but you have to do speaking practice. For that you need people,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
Clapingo offers you trained tutors. They are trained. They will understand your level and talk to you and will keep correcting you at every point. So that will be helpful. I will give you a code. I will put it in the description of my video also. If you use that code, you will get 15% discount. And Clapingo is a good platform. You can use that. You can take
Okay.
sessions and get discount also. Okay, Ajay?
Okay.
It was a lovely
Okay,
session.
ma'am.
Loved talking to you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye-bye.